Let's see how you can edit an existing area or add a new area. Edit existing area. First, go to the Profile section, then click on Configuration. Here, you will see the Edit option. Click on it. Once you click Edit, the map will open showing the area you want to modify. Now you can edit your area as needed. You will see small dots, points, around the area boundary. Click and drag these dots to adjust the shape or size of the area. Move the dots according to your requirement. After making the changes, click on the Confirm button. That's it, your area has been successfully updated. You can now see the updated area on the map. Add new area. If you want to add a new area, click on the Add button. The map will open. Select the location where you want to create the new area. Adjust the boundary by dragging the dots as required. Once done, click Confirm. Now your new area has been added successfully. You can see the newly added area displayed on the map.